Flowkey is an interactive piano learning app that listens as you play and gives instant feedback. And right now, a one-year classic plan is available on StackSocial for $39. Instead of the $180 suggested price, that's 78% off. Let's take a quick look. If you've ever tried to teach yourself piano, you already know the struggle. Staring at sheet music with no feedback, unsure if you're even hitting the right notes, and taking months to learn a single song. Most beginner methods also don't adapt to your pace. That's the gap Flowkey is built to close. Right now on StackSocial, you can get a one-year Flowkey Classic subscription for $39, with 3-year and 5-year options also available. Here's what you get. First, over 1,000 classical and public domain songs, including arrangements from Bach, Chopin, Beethoven, Mozart, and more, with versions for beginner, intermediate, advanced, and pro skill levels. You also get Wait Mode, which listens to your playing through your device's microphone or a connected keyboard and only lets you progress once you hit the correct notes. Flowkey syncs video of an expert pianist with the sheet music on screen, and you can slow down playback, loop tricky sections, or practice each hand separately. You also get full access to structured courses covering music theory, chords, and reading sheet music, available in 11 languages. And your subscription works across laptops, phones, and tablets, so you can practice wherever you have a keyboard nearby. Before you buy, there are a few important details to know. This deal works for both new and existing Flowkey users, but it can't be stacked with an active subscription. It only activates once your current one expires. MIDI note detection requires Chrome, Edge, or a similar Chromium-based browser. Safari and Firefox only support note detection through your microphone. Amazon Fire tablets aren't supported, so double-check your device against the compatibility list. And you need to redeem your code within 30 days of purchase. So who is this deal for? If you're a beginner or intermediate player who wants structured lessons plus real songs you'll actually enjoy practicing, this is an easy pick. Flowkey is trusted by over 5 million learners and rated 4.7 stars across 61,000 App Store reviews. I've added my link in the description below. Click it to check the current price and full deal details. If this deal breakdown helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more software deals and honest reviews every week.